Hi, my name is Heather Cassidy, and I'm one of the Algebra 2 teachers here at Haggerty High School. I'm just going to take a couple of minutes of your time and go over the curriculum and what we do in Algebra 2 here at Haggerty. So let me take it over to the PowerPoint. Here are the three teachers who teach Algebra 2, myself, Miss Comfort, and Miss Webb. If you have any questions, please feel free to email any of us, whether you come to curriculum night and you have a question after, or maybe you can't make it. And I'll also have this available at the end of the presentation as well. So what we do in Algebra 2 is we take what your child learned in Algebra 1 and we build upon it, whether it's the quadratics, the linear, the exponential, but then we also bring new functions in as well, and we do some probability and statistics, and we bring some trigonometry in as well. So we give guided notes in class. We don't want your child to worry about rushing to copy the problem instead of focusing on understanding the example and participating in the example. Each section is worth 3 points, and they do turn them in at the end of each unit. Homework can come from a variety of different places, whether it's online resources like Delta Math, Khan Academy, eCampus, Desmos, there's worksheets, there's in-class activities, and these are all worth 10 points. We always go over them in class. A lot of times there's an answer key sitting out to help your child out. We also have what we call concept checks. These are 1 to 2 problems that your child works on right after the lesson, just to make sure that they understand what we took a look at. These are also collected at the end of each unit, and they're worth 2 points a section. We have 2 quizzes every 9 weeks. It's going to cover a couple of different sections. They are announced. We tell them when they're going to happen. And the points are really going to vary because it depends on how many questions are on the quiz. We give 1 test every 9 weeks, and we do spiral back to older material because you need to understand the older material in order to help you understand the newer material. Tests are worth 100 points, which can be a little off-putting because I know not everyone is a good test taker, but between the guided notes, the concept checks, the homework, the activities, those points help balance out this 100-point test so that it doesn't have as big of an impact. And if you're doing that everyday stuff, the test grade will work itself out. On top of that, we do offer test corrections. These are assigned problems on Khan Academy. It's optional whether your child chooses to do them or not. They're extra points. And since the grade, your child's grade is point-wise, the more points they have, the better their grade is. At the end of every 9 weeks, we give the county exam. It is multiple choice and it is cumulative. It does cover everything in the quarter. It is worth 20% of the grade, and some kids kind of panic at this a little bit. And the way I explain it is 80% of their grade comes from what we do every day in class. So as long as they're taking care of that 80%, this 20% shouldn't have a huge impact. In fact, they should do well on it if they're doing that 80%. I hope I've answered all of your questions. If I haven't, please feel free to email me, Miss Comfort, or Miss Webb. I hope you have a good day, and thank you.